Update. Day 3.
We've done nothing.
Day 3. We've done nothing. Nah, just kidding. Today we're gonna continue on with the bull bar. This is what we have so far.
Hey, pretty baby. Oh.
We're gonna try and do some bar work today.
Should be
Interesting.
that we are.
Bend
So-
up some peeps. And
Yes.
yeah,
That is
well,
exactly what we're gonna do. Bend up some peeps.
And then yeah, do a bit of gluing. We don't, or
Gluing?
James. Yeah, electric gluing.
Oh yeah, electric buzz glue.
James hasn't completely decided on what colour we want yet.
No. Comment below.
If we haven't already painted
Yeah.
it, we might do another episode on how to paint a bull bar.
As if we don't like this colour.
Yeah, rust.
Right, yeah.
And brown.
Maybe we just let it rust and then clear coat. That's
Okay.
alright, because it's so thick it'll take at least 100 years.
We'll just sell it to somebody else that's restoring a gym in 100 years time. And
Yeah, when we're alive in 100 years time,
Yeah.
when we're 123.
Yep, and we're still making videos
Yeah.
about what old people do for breakfast and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,
Anyway. Okay.
I haven't filmed in a bit, but looks like this is pretty much what it's going to look like, hopefully. All we've done is bent two of the same pipes, cut and tacked in a little piece in the middle to get us our length, which is pretty good. Now we're going to cut the pipes that connect onto either that face or that face and go out. So something like that.
A few moments later. 6.5 hours later.
Cutting these pipes is going to be the hardest part. Playing with some ideas. What about a bar that came up, bent it into here, then we make a loop out of that? Like we follow that same sort of line. Yeah, that'd fit in between there. We'll just make the bar to go around that.